Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to set up recurring subscriptions with PayPal. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So all you gotta do for this is log in into your PayPal account and navigate to Pay and Get Paid option. So once you're in your PayPal, you can get the section right on the top. Simply click buttons to create subscription button. On the subscription button create page, you can define your subscription product, set the pricing like include trial periods or set up fees, and determine the billing cycle and frequency. Once you have created the subscription plan and generated the button, you can copy link to share with customers for them to sign up. So you can do this to make subscriptions of different product that you are selling or different kind of services you are providing. So this includes a fixed price, quantity-based pricing, trial periods, and setup fees. You can also choose the billing cycle like frequency and enable auto billing for outstanding payments if desired. So this way, you can set up recurring subscriptions with PayPal. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.